Hello Temple and Sunrise families. Term 4 is already upon us and we're quickly approaching the end of another year. Over the coming weeks, numerous celebrations will mark the end of 2025. I hope these moments provide a meaningful opportunity to highlight the gifts, talents and achievements within our school community. And above all, to bring glory to God. Thank you for all your efforts throughout the year. Our school is having a significant impact on the lives of hundreds of young people. And that doesn't happen without staff who are committed to a vision of extending God's kingdom through Christian education. They guide, they inspire, they go above and beyond. And now it's time for us to tip our hats, literally, in thanks. On October the 31st, we're celebrating our incredible teachers with a fun and symbolic gesture. Hats off to our teachers. Whether it's quirky, crafty, classy, or downright outrageous, we invite your children to design and wear a hat that says, "We appreciate you." Now you've got until the 31st to get creative. So grab some glue, feathers, glitter, or whatever sparks joy and join the celebrations. More details are on our School Stream app. Let's make it a day to remember. In just a couple of weeks, our upper primary students will take on the stage for this year's musical, Danny and the Shacks. More than just a performance, this production carries a powerful message. One that speaks to courage, conviction, and obedience to God, even when it's hard. Through music and storytelling, our students will remind us of the timeless truth. Standing firm in faith often requires doing the difficult things. And yet, when we do, God meets us with strength, grace, and purpose. We look forward to sharing this special moment with our school community on the 7th of November. May it stir something deep in us, a renewed commitment to walk faithfully, even when the path is steep. Remember, we are back at the Hopgood Theatre this year, and there are several organizational details you need to be aware of. Please stay in touch with our School Stream app and our classes Seesaw communication. End of year presentation nights are the perfect opportunity to celebrate all the outstanding work our students have accomplished throughout the year. There is one significant change this year, and if you are not on top of the communication, you might arrive at the wrong venue. That would just be disastrous. In previous years, we held our presentation nights either here at City Reach or at EBC, but this year we have a larger venue that better suits our needs. We will be hosting our presentation night at Equippus Church in Rainella, where the JP cohorts will take the stage first at 5 p.m. Following the presentation, there will be a dinner break with Subway orders available for those interested or hungry enough. And then the grades 3 to 9 presentation will begin at 6:30 p.m. You may have seen recent communication that we are changing our school day times. Instead of finishing our day at 3:20, we will bring that back to 3:10 from next year. This is just to bring our instructional time more in line with our other schools and create a more efficient workspace. The starting time will remain the same at 8:45. For the remainder of this year, we would like to remind you that students should not arrive on site too early in the morning or stay too late in the afternoon, as our duty of care is to ensure your children's safety while they are here at school. There is no supervision before 8:20 in the morning. Your child, whether in middle school or primary school, cannot be on site before 8:20. And the same applies to the afternoon after 3:40. Primary school students must be booked into OSH if they are here after or before those times. Now, the last thing on my agenda is for every parent who's ever whispered to their child, "Slow down." If you found yourself wondering how your child is growing up so fast, how the years seem to slip through your fingers, this morning is for you. Next Thursday, from 8:30 to 9:30, we invite parents to gather for a conversation that matters. We've chosen the morning slot intentionally, knowing it might be easier to adjust work schedules than to navigate the chaos of afternoon sport and commitments. This session will be especially relevant for parents of primary and middle school students as we explore the social pressures and hidden challenges that often go unnoticed but are very real. Our goal is to equip and encourage you not just with information but with connection and support. Please check our SchoolStream app for full details. We hope you'll make space to join us. Your presence matters more than you know. Now, as we approach the final stretch of the term, I want to leave you with a word of encouragement from Galatians 6, verse 9. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Now, this verse reminds us that the work we do, whether in classrooms, offices, playgrounds, or at home, it matters deeply. Even when the days feel long and the challenges persistent, we are sowing seeds that will bear fruit in time. Now, my prayer is that we finish this term with strength, grace, and a renewed sense of purpose. May God sustain us with His endurance and bless the efforts of our hands. God bless.